Ooh. Ah. Yikes. And it looks like you've curbed your road warriors. Well, luckily for you, it just takes a few minutes to get these things looking brand new again. First, using a plastic pry tool and a heat gun, or just leave your vehicle in the sun, begin by gently prying the curb guard away from the wheel. Once part of the curb guard is separated from the wheel, continue carefully pulling the curb guard away from the wheel until it has been fully removed. And you won't be needing that anymore. Once the curb guard has been removed, using isopropyl alcohol, thoroughly clean the face of the wheel until all residue and debris has been removed from the adhesive contact points. Once the surface has been prepped, test fit the curb guard to ensure it fits the wheel face properly. Next, peel off some of the adhesive backing tape to use as a lead tab. Then, install the exposed adhesive area of the curb guard onto the wheel. Slowly pull the backing tape lead tab while simultaneously pressing the curb guard into place on the wheel. Once all of the backing tape has been removed, slowly press around the entire curb guard to ensure it is properly installed. And finally, remove the plastic protective film. Congratulations! Your wheel looks brand new again.